have you ever tried and are a big fan of Chinese Cantonese rice noodle roll? Today we are trying it, actually with rice paper instead, which is more convenient. To start, for the marinade of the pork, you can actually use beef or chicken if you like. Marinate it with the ingredients I have here, mix it all together until it becomes pasty. Soak rice paper sheet in cold water for a few seconds, remove from the water quickly, and place it on a chopping board or kitchen counter. Apply a thin layer of marinated meat on it and roll it up into a long noodle roll. Place noodle rolls on top of some cabbage or lettuce you may have. Make sure the noodle rolls are not next to each other. Steam for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm making a dipping sauce to go with it. This is optional. You can make it spicy or non-spicy. Once the noodle rolls are ready, simply pour the sauce all over it. Look at that. Definitely love the chewy texture of the rice paper. Try it out. The full recipe is in my bio link. Thank you for watching.